Hey guys, welcome back to the ranch. Today's video is brought to you by BeamTrack. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to review their OEM replacement taillights that they offer here on our 2018 Chevy Silverado 3500. And I said, sure, why not? Let's go see what you got. Regular factory taillight from GM runs about $250 a piece, so 500 bucks for both sides. BeamTrack sells theirs in a pair with new wiring harness and everything for less than $70 on Amazon, link below. So I figured, sure, send me out a pair. I will show you how to install it and also look at the quality difference between OEM and BeamTrack's aftermarket taillight. So uninstalling these taillights is pretty simple. You got the two T15 Torx screws right here that you need to remove. One on the top, one on the bottom. Get those pulled out. And that's the only thing that's basically holding your taillight to the truck. Get these quickly taken out. Then you can pull your taillight out. There's two clip things over on that side there. Get you in frame again. There we go. Those two that go into the fender. And then afterwards, zoom back out a bit, it is a matter of just twisting out the bulbs from the sockets. And you've already removed your factory taillight. It's as simple as that. So now I got the taillights laid out side by side. Left OEM, right BeamTrack, just to kind of show you the difference. From the outside, they do look identical. You got the same type of reflectors, same type of housing, dark stripe around. All in all, looks the same. If you go to flip them around, that's where you start seeing some differences. Noticeably, gray material, black material. Original ones, OEM ones, are made in Canada with imported parts. These here are made in China. However, that does not matter. Most of the stuff comes out of China anyway. If you look at them, get you guys off the tripod here. If you look at them closer, the factory ones, you can see the seal nicely, the bead all around, which of course prevents water from getting in between the glass and the black housing. BeamTrack the same. You got the seal here. The seal is a little bit thinner, or you could say cleaner, compared to the OEM one. However, up on this corner, I did notice there is the slight little, like, little gap overlap here. I'm not sure if this might let water in or not, but I would like to see the bead go up a little higher, or rather spread nicer. You can see they just started here and stopped here when going around, but they didn't squish it in nicely afterwards. As I said, it also comes with these clips here, which are separate. When it ships, you'll have to install them. They send along two different adapter plugs, depending what your setup is underneath the truck where it plugs in, and they are already pre-populated with bulbs. So there's two different, or a couple different part number versions. You can see I got the 84, 28, 8722 taillights, and these taillights, the main difference that I found out between that number and the other part number is that this clip is different than with the other number that GM also had, which means that on the ones that BeamTrack has, your screw won't be able to grab because they are made for the other ones. So apparently GM used two different clips with two different types of screws, depending what model, year, make, truck. So when you're using these to change that part number, you're either going to have to find some different screws to put in, which are larger, or just go ahead and remove this clip here from your tail lights here. If I get you on the stand, I can show you. You'll be able to pry up underneath and pull this clip off. Do the same over here and swap the clips over. Not a big deal in my opinion, because if you're changing out a broken tail light, you can easily swap the clips. If you don't have the entire light assembly with the clips, you're also going to be most likely missing the screws anyway, so you're going to just go find yourself screws that fit. Really simple. But let me show you how to just now quickly install this on here, so you get the idea. So if you're using the wiring harness that comes with the lights, you will simply feed it through the exact same opening where the OEM lights are in, and feed it underneath the truck. As I'm doing this for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to go through the larger opening in the back. And I'm just showing you these lights. My lights are still perfectly fine, but I'm definitely going to keep these should anything ever happen to my lights. And then once you have them put in like that, simply put back your screws on the other side here, screw them in, and then we'll go to the underside of the truck and I shall show you where to plug these in. Next step for you is to go lay underneath your truck, back where the spare tire is, and on the driver's side, so to the left of the spare tire, if you're looking to the front of the truck, you'll see this block of plugs right here. These are going to be for your lighting and all different things, and for demonstration purposes, the one here, the second one from the left in my case, is going to be the plug for the rear tail light. You're going to have this red clip which you need to pull down to unlock, and then you have to push the black tab in, and then you'll be able to pull them apart. And we'll see if we can do this one-handed. I might have to put you guys quickly down and quickly pull this apart while you guys are on the ground. All right, just, pull those apart. Here is that, you push that in, then you'll be able to pull them apart. Then you take your new provided plug and, just do the other way around. Just plug it in. See if we can get this one handed. Oh. Oh, one-handed. There we go. Plug it in. And then you'll be able to remove your old wiring harness afterwards, if that is what you desire to do. So I'm gonna have to get a better shot of this at night, but you can see the lights are on in the truck now that I have turned them on, but of course it's daylight, so the camera will not pick this up well. Same on just the OEM one over here. You'll be able to barely see it during the day, but it is really simple. It's that plug and play. If you don't need to use their harness, it's even faster. So you can basically swap both tail lights within like 5 minutes. I'd say for a sub $70 tail light, it is a really good choice. I'm not just saying that because they send them to me out for free. Yeah, these are, as I said, factory, $2.50 a piece. These come down to $30 a piece, and there's nothing fancy about them, whether factory or aftermarket. Fit and finish, in my mind, is perfectly adequate for what they are. As I said, I'd like to see the caulking a little better. Other than that, it's great. They got the SAE DOT numbers on the bottom, so they are fully street legal. And you can see they line up perfectly with the truck. So I'd like to thank BeamTrack for the opportunity for me to review these and show you guys how to get these lights installed and how simple and easy it is. There's going to be a link in the description to these lights. They make them for other makes and models too, so go ahead and check them out for some, what I find very good quality for the price rear tail lights. Yeah, and I mean, we're all about saving some money here, and why overpay for something when you don't have to. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks.